Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching the subtitle file to the video. This is the critical step. Load the video, then load the SRT or VTT file so you can see timecodes against frames. If the audio is present, scrub to confirm spoken cues. Once done, set the project frame rate to the video's FPS. Mismatched FPS causes drift. Make sure to save a copy labeled "Working" before editing so you can revert if timing experiments go wrong. You now diagnose whether the lateness is a fixed offset or progressive drift, which determines the fix. Use the waveform or visible dialog peaks to set anchor points. If every line is late by the same amount, apply a global shift in milliseconds or seconds. This is quick and precise. If subtitles drift over time, use time stretch or resync tools and lock multiple anchor points, because that adjusts timing across the entire timeline while preserving reading windows. You finish by spot-checking scenes across the file. Adjust any lines that overlap or display too briefly, aiming for natural reading time. Then export the subtitle in the original format and correct encoding. Test playback in the target player because different players respect timestamps differently. If problems reappear, make sure the video container's timestamp or FPS wasn't altered. Reopen in the editor and retime using fresh anchor points. This single troubleshooting tip solves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.